Okay, guys, I'm back and I got all the pieces. So a lot of people be like, when I make those crisscross shirts that tie, do y'all see what I do? I cut it all at one time and I have the tie already on there where I don't have to add it later. So if you see, when I cut it, and I will say it's the winter months, this fabric is so warm and cozy. If you're a hot person, that's why I made mine like a tube top. Like in the wintertime, you want to go downstairs and open the door, you have the robe on. But then this would be just, if you get hot quick, this would be suffice to walk around the house in because I'd be burning up. That robe I only use if I'm going down, up and down the stairs and, getting up out of the bed when it's chilly. So when you cut, you're going to cut two of these. This is the front piece of the crop top little 90 short set. Okay, this is the back. It's the back of the crop top. And final piece, this is the shorts. So I got this off of Amazon. So put in uh uh what else I put in? Cozy blankets. So it was on a roll and it only got one. So if you want sleeves to be on this, then you will need to get two of them. I believe it was $10.99 for this. So if you want to put sleeves to it, you're gonna need two. I didn't want sleeves because I'm already burning up in a robe. So I just wanted the little romper shorts and stuff you can walk around without, like wearing a robe, So it's almost like, if company over something, you know, you was like you got on some clothes. You're not like naked in a traditional robe. So that's what these would be perfect. So you can walk around. And when you're making these, make sure that when y'all sew it, find the way that the fabric goes right to left. That's the way you want to sew it. Don't sew it up and down. That's not going to do you no good because your body, you need it to go right to left. So when you go to cutting these out, make sure that you find the right width on it. So 1, 2 for the shorts, the back, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And you see the ties is already connected. So unfortunately, I'm not going to sew this today. I'm going to load this part. So it'll be part 1. And I will give this to you guys. I'll load it tomorrow. So I just want to show you guys how to get your pieces together, how to cut. And then look, this is an old jacket piece. So when you wonder what did I use the old jacket piece and I just cut it, fold it. If you want to make it out of crop, just fold it. Don't do the whole thing. So you take a shirt and make it. And then to get that curve, I just fold it over like that, guys. See? And that's how I get the shirts to do the curve. And then for the shorts, you just take a pair of shorts. So remember, if you want the booty shorts, then you cut it more at an angle. But if you want your buttocks covered like that, make the shorts longer. Make them longer. So I always kind of make mine a little longer. I have I don't know, the insecure about the black part of your buttocks hanging out. So I always try to make my shorty shorts a little bit longer. Yeah. So that, and then this one, I'm doing more to it. I want it to be a special occasion romper. So remember this one I had? I'm adding more stuff to it. So when I get done, it's going to take a process. I'm also going to put these shingles down at the bottom because you see how this is the new way that they wearing these rompers. But I won't feel comfortable to wear it like that. I will definitely cut it. So I got to finish doing all the pieces to it. And these do got a little shield over. So when they get ready, I got to take the shield off. And the mirror piece is a sparkle. It's got some, well, I ain't going to be able to get it now. It's take me forever. But if you see, that one is sparkling good because that mirror, the plastic is off. So when I get this finished, this will be a special occasion romper. I'm going to put the shingles down the bottom of it. And that's taking a longer process. And then this is how I do the no zippers, guys. So I put 2 ties. So when we having a hard time getting into these outfits, if y'all don't want to put the zipper and y'all got to go to the bathroom, unzip me. You can put the tie and it'll hold it together. And you won't have to get nobody to zip you and unzip you. So when I get done with this special occasion maxi, I'll show that romper too. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye.